Hi everyone, welcome to this next session of this video series. In the first session, we discussed on getting the table, which is the Nifty option table from the NSE website into Panda's data frame. The objective here is that I want to compare the plots. So if you can see here, these are the option call and put plot. So this one is call plot. This is put plot. I want to see how the graph changes based on the strike price. So next, in this video, we will extract the data and will generate the plot. So if you see here, um, the strike price is 24,050 and expiry date is 24th of October 24. Instead of that, we'll click here. So this is the new page. Here we will see the graph. So if you see here, we have trade information with all the buy and sell. We don't need all this data. What we actually need is the intraday chart, and we will try to extract the data. We'll plot the same chart in Jupyter Notebook. So here, if you see, the option chart is of frequency around 2 seconds. So we're going to get a lot of data points. So you see here, first we'll get the URL for this data point. I'll press F12, which will open a developer option, and here we'll go to network. I'm actually in network. So what I'll do is I will change back to the trade information and then intraday chart. We'll see the response. So I don't think this response has the data. I think I have to refresh the page. I'll refresh it. So we'll go to the URL and we'll try to find out the exact URL, which will give us the data. I think we can see here. This is the data. So we have a chart data by index with the name, and here we have PE, the date, and the strike price. And in the response, you see, you can change the visualization also. So either it will be a huge one line, or you can do a pretty print. Python also has a pretty print. We are not going to use that for now. So we have option Nifty 2410 PE with the strike price. Name is Nifty, and we have the graph data. So this one is a timestamp in Unix format, and this is the value. So 62 and 64. So it's 2000 or 1000, 2000 milliseconds gap, which is around microseconds. That is milliseconds. Milliseconds. So 2000 milliseconds is around 2 seconds. So we'll get the data with a frequency of 2 seconds. And here if you see, we have a lot of data. Let's see what is the last timestamp. So current time is 1340. So Unix time to time. So let's convert this Unix time. Then we can convert it using Python also. But let's see. So this data is 136. So the delay is around 3 minutes, 4 minutes, whatever it is. But I want to see the comparison, so it doesn't matter for me. So we'll see the header. So this is the URL format. So what we'll do is we'll generate this format. So if you see our final option chain data frame, which we created the last video, so we have option chain. This, I think this value looks similar. So this is the value we have to put in the URL. So we'll put the URL for now. URL equal to. So I think this is the exact format. So what we'll do is we have to replace this part with whatever value we can see here. So we have PE identifier, and then we'll also have a CE identifier. It's not visible. So if the data is not visible, we can use pandas option to see all these intermediate values. So the code for that is pd.set option, and we want to see all the columns. So we'll put max display dot max column 9999. I hope it will work. Okay, perfect. So now if we see here, we can see all the columns. So we will have a CE identifier and a PE identifier. So let's extract the PE data, and what I will do is let's extract only one of the data, and then we'll compare it with the actual graph, and if the data is coming correct, we'll extract all the data, and then we'll do a superimpose, and let's see how the chart varies. So we have two options. One is we can compare a PE at a specific strike price to a CE, so call and put. Other option is to compare all the calls together to see how the graph changes for um, for any strike price. So what I will do is, let's see, for this URL we'll get the data. So I'll copy the code again. So this is page code. So here we'll put the URL. We have the headers. So change it to P page. Okay, I think we got the data. We'll convert it into JSON. Let's see what option. So it was page.json. Let's print the page for it. So PE page. The error is expecting value in line 1, column 1, but it has not got any value. So PE page. The response is 401. 401 response is, I think, not found. 401 response code, which is unauthorized error. So I think we have to change the headers also to get the data. So that's why I told we need to change or add our custom headers. So derivative symbol identifier and response. Does it have the data? I don't think so. I think it is a different one. What is it? Yes. Will not deviate from our objective. There are so many things to see here. Anyway, so this is not the one which we want. This doesn't have any data. This is the actual one we want. So we need the graph data. So header, what I will do is I have to copy all these things. Request header is this. Okay. So I'll copy from here till the end, and I have to convert it into a dictionary. So header equal to a dictionary with all these values. I'll not do it here. I'll do it in Notepad++. Let's see. I have this Notepad++ ready, and accept application. Uh, so everything should be in uh, line with strings if integer is not used. So see here we have double quotes. So what we will do is we'll use single quote everywhere. I hope the cookie does not have any single quote. So maybe I have to skip this part or fast forward it. So that you don't have to watch me change the values. Anyway, I won't be doing it one by one. Um, this one I have to change it. So here we'll do single quote. Okay. Then what I will do is I'll copy this part, Control C, and I'll do replace. So Control. I'll select this one, Control F, and replace. Replace with single quote, colon, and single quote. All this part is also done, and the end we'll add is manually the cookie ended here. This one, this one. Don't think I have taken much time, so I don't have to skip this. Anyway, so we have the header ready. Um, so I'll put it here. Syntax error. Oh, we missed the comma. So comma, 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 comma. This one we want to get at the end of the cookie. Okay, perfect. Let's see. Yes, we got a response 200, which means okay. Let's convert it into JSON, and yes, we got all the data. So we need to extract the graph data. So what I'll do is I'll take the graph. Hey, yo, they have some mistake, spelling mistake. Anyway, this is the data. Now I'll convert it into data frame, pd.data frame, and the data. And let's add column names also. So columns equals first is the timestamp, and then next one is our price. Price. I'll make this one also small letter. And we'll mark it as the data is PE2445. So let's keep it PEDF, and PEDF is equal to this. Now let's convert this timestamp to a date time format. Let's see what is the data type. So info, this is float and this is int. Let's convert. So PE timestamp and PD PDF PD dot to PD dot. I think two timestamp is there. PD dot not null period the time delta range to date time. To date time, and let's see what output we get. Awesome. So we get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in milliseconds. We are getting the data, but format is not correct. I think not taking this data correctly. We have UTC is false and UTC. Let's make UTC equal to true. Still, the data is not correct. So let's search. Pandas epoch to date time. Let's see. Period columns head period to date time unit equal to seconds. I don't think this will work. Out of bound timestamp. What is this unit? That maybe we have to go deeper. Oh, sorry. That is not in seconds. That is in milliseconds. Oh, okay. 9:15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So yes, we are getting the data. Make it a PDF of timestamp is this one. Let's plot this. So we can directly plot this. So PDF dot plot. PDF dot scatter is there. No. Let's import matplotlib. So import matplotlib.py plot as plt and plt dot plot x equal df pdf timestamp and y equals pdf or y-axis, which is our price. I hope x on x date. This is the plot we got. So let's see if the Nifty chart is similar. So it went below 30, then went to 60 and on increasing. So it went below 30, went to 60 and then started increasing. So we got a plot. Go will give a nicer view. So let's plot it in Go. So Python Go plot scatter. So scatter plots. Plotly gives a nicer interface and nice view. this is a scatter plot. What we will select is line plot. So line plot with Plotly Express, this one. So we'll import this. I don't think in NumPy we require. So this is okay. So import Plotly and figure is this x dot line with these values. So x equals this, y equals this, and it dot show. So no module name Plotly. Quick reference getting started. So Plotly 5.2. We'll install this. I hope we don't have to restart the kernel. So I may have to skip the video. I think it will take some time. So anyway, we have the plot. We'll move forward. Meanwhile, the plot will get installed. Next objective is to save the values. So how we are going to do? One option is to add the we can add. See, we have here timestamp and the graph. Sorry, timestamp and price. We'll add another column which will be this one, PE identifier or PE identifier, or any identifier, because in the middle we have P and C, so it doesn't matter. So we'll put identifier, and we'll extract all the data. Let's see, we have to write a loop. So I'll import TKDM also, since the number of data points are 100. If you see here, we have 100 rows. So each one takes around 1 to 2 seconds to load the data. See, then I think 2 to 3 minutes it will take to load all the data. I'm not doing a multi-threading parallel processing that may get the data even faster. Let's go with the single thread. So first of all, I will import TQDM. Gives a nice visualization while the loop is running. Will give me the percentage the loop has completed. So from TQDM, import TQDM. Next, I think I should install Plotly in the backend. Oh, is complete. The Plotly is installed. Let's run this. I hope. Oh, perfect. So we'll see the graph. Or it is not visible. Think maybe I have to add matplotlib.inline. Uh, uh, not leave it. We'll do this. Sometimes there is an issue because see here, saving file, got event through. Sometimes it doesn't show. Maybe putting matplotlib inline. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But this will work. It will open plot. Okay. So here now you can see a plot in nicer format. So if we see the open price, and if we put a horizontal line and the open price, we can create graph like this. Uh, so don't think we'll leave this part. Uh, easy. We can search in plotly to give the details. Or even Bard is there. Let's see what answer Bard gives. Sometimes I feel that Bard doesn't give a solution, but anyways, people are used to go Bard to search images. Sorry, to search the code. Yeah, dependent on it. So I'll ask my question. I have line plot. I need line plot in plotly. I need to plot it dividing the graph horizontally by a threshold. Above the threshold, the line should be green, and below it should be. Let's see what code it gives. So we have to add trace because we have multiple things. One is the line above threshold, below threshold. Okay, so this is different. The threshold they have set by x values and y values. So line above threshold and line below threshold. But data is traced above and traced below figure date layout, but not dividing the data because threshold is not used anywhere. Um, so I don't think it will work. We have to on our own. We have to separate the data. Instead of that, I'll ask again a line plot in plotly. I have okay. Uh, I have a horizontal line which will divide the line plot into half above the above the horizontal line. Uh, the line plot should be green and below it should be red. Let's see. Hope this does not give us the same code again. And so scatter plot x and y mode lines and minimum are x, maximum y, blah blah blah. Let's see. Horizontal line at 3. We have x and y. So better to go through their document and get the code instead of asking Bard. Never release Bard. So horizontal line is the first value. So PEDF or price, 0 value. So PEDF price 0, which is 28.1. Maybe we have to do a value and that doesn't require. So this is our horizontal line at Y, and our X is PDF of time stamp times PA and B, and Y is X PDF for price. Let's see. Uh, no. The source Y, the layout image, shape line, layout, add layout. Don't need a layout. Replace with your ready image URL. Y image. Okay. Uh, I'll do this. Okay. So we have a horizontal line, and above that we need to top should be line is here. What is the color of the line? The future black line with size of 1. Okay, I'll ask one last time. I have a cat plot in plot. I have a horizontal line which will divide the cat plot into half. Above the horizontal line, the scatter plot should be green and below it should be red. Let's see. This is the last time we will run this code. Let us test it out. I think this does not, this one did not help. Here. So horizontal line, H line value, X value is greater than H line value. I think this one will work for Y value. Let's see. Perfect. Now these are it has given it these points as points, but we'll make it instead of go dot scatter, we'll do go dot line. Wait, scatter plot mode mode. Okay, and something marker size. Well, reduce it to 6. Okay, I need it as a line plot. So go dot line, and we have marker with the dictionary green if y value is greater than else red for y value in y, and y size is marker. Let's see. Uh, so what we talking like a scatter plot line chart. So we have two lines. Color is this. The line chart in dash. Don't need this. No, 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 no. This one, of course, line chart x and y and df values. Spark lines, what is a spark lines? We don't know. Need to separate the address go dot scatter random x y mode line. So we have to choose mode line, and that is a scatter plot. So scatter and line value we have to change. So source will be and the line value color pink instead of marker line plus marker node trace board of figure y node line marker is dictionary I do what else? Okay. Mhm. Uh, Go dot character with different color for line segment. One line different color. Okay. So color is color list, X list and Y list. Color list. Not correct one. Line shape is V. X list, Y list and color list. Uh, Color list is okay. Line shape is HV. No, line shape is HV and this is color. I don't think color has a dictionary value, because the size value, because bad property color. Color is there, color list, line shape, scatter plot. So I don't think, uh, sorry, we have color and we'll remove this one. So closing parenthesis, line shape, this part is closed, this is not correct. Okay, I may have to skip this part um, since the video is on tending. So I'll pause the video here. I'll come back once this part is done. So I found this Plotly community page, and there they have given. So instead of using this, we can use this uh, scatter LG. So I plot I am not going to use. So we have a threshold, go figure, copy this part. Let's see. It did work, but not perfectly. So threshold, control X, this is threshold, and X is our X, and Y is Y, line color black, sorry, line color red. So where Y dot where Y is greater than, why you have used threshold, threshold. So threshold, then we have green, else we have red, and X is the threshold. Threshold missing H. See, oh, perfect. Now we are what we are missing here. Okay, so the point are showing as red, greater than threshold, line equal to green. Maybe we can copy this and scatter LG, which is less than threshold. Line color is red, and we'll add a horizontal line, which is figure dot add line. Figure dot line. I think it is px dot line. Figure dot line, and put it as color black, and x is y is equal to threshold. Okay, so figure dot line, no attribute line. So add strategy. So figure dot line plot we go OG, put OG instead of O, I think. Um, px dot line is the figure is px dot line, and here figure is go dot figure. And last thing, I think this time I plot this one line. Let's see. Add shape type line, and this is how the line, the endpoint x x0, and this one is corner. Okay, let's see. Copy, and we have to put a line at threshold. So figure dot add shape type line x0 to 2 and x1 y1 line dictionary color black 0 x0 at 0 it is x0 is our timestamp 0. So PDF time stamp 0, and this one is threshold. Control C, Control V. Okay, threshold. Something this one. I will comment this one out. And color black dictionary with okay y x0 and y0 is threshold. X1 will also be same PDF timestamp -1, and this one will be threshold. The timestamp of -1 is not correct, so we'll take the last value. So timestamp, I have to take the last value, which is -1, is an error dot to list, and then I'll take the -1 value. Okay, so Control X, Control V. Awesome. So I think we have some points missing in between, and it's not connected. So less than equal to and greater than equal to. So I will make a greater than equal to also. So less than equal to, greater than equal to, and this horizontal line and those lines, make it with 1, and I copy the same thing so that in future we don't get any error. So 0, let's see. Okay. I think we're not getting any point in between, so that's why it's separated, not connected. So where this is greater than equal to, and is less than, the two different lines, so that is why there is a break. We don't want a break here. I don't want this break, so add I'll add a scatter plot and x, y, and line, full line above threshold and below threshold. Actually, this one. So I will plot a full line first. That's correct. And let us do like that. We'll plot a full line, which is in green color. X line color is gray. And anything, anyway. How do I delete this? So we have this. I have to comment out this part. So comment it. Let's see. Awesome. But if you see here, I can see these small green dots or the line which I don't like. There is some shift. So let's see, width is WIDTH equal to 2 and WIDTH equal to 2. Don't need. Okay, guys, I think I have to pause this video again because I don't like this part. So this point is above x, do less than equal to, but still I can see the green line. I don't want. So I don't know why this issue is coming. Not here. I'll do a reset auto save. It's still visible. Minus, minus, minus. But why small change? Minus, minus. Wait, auto save. So 2155. 2155. Something is wrong here. Make it a little bit thicker. Still, it will not work like that. Why to where is less than line color is red. Less than threshold. It's red. I can see a shift. I will come back. Anyway, I think the issue is this issue cannot be resolved, but let's skip this for now. Another thing which I saw is that the data points are not coming exactly at 2 seconds. This um, as the strike price changes.